Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video, and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also in 2017 Kia Sorrento transmission service, just finishing up. Got the oil temperature. Between 122 and 140 is what it wants, and then it wants you to shift from park to reverse to neutral to drive. Do that 2 times, and then end up in neutrals, where it wants you to check it in neutral. Repeat this sequence of 2 times, and then move the shift lever to the neutral range, remove the undercover, and then we're going to pull the plug out and see if there's fluid flowing. Got my funnel set up in case I need to add a little bit. A 2-stage setup here. This is the kind of the fill plug they want you to put in. Fluid through here. It is very much a pain in the butt, a slow pouring process, otherwise it burps out and spills all over, which it did, even though I was trying to be careful. The process in the nutshell is to remove that shield. It has a lot of 10mm bolts in it. One little kind of friction fit retainer up here helps maybe hold it in place a little bit. And I always use a 15/16 wrench to take this as the drain plug right here, so I always use the 15/16 to take it out. All bolts, everything's left to loosen, right to tighten. So take that out, let it drain. I usually get about 3.5 quarts out. When it's drained, I put it back in. Here's your check plug. Has a square in it for a 3/8 head for your 3/8 ratchet, and sometimes you can actually turn it by hand though too, which I can. I'm going to get a container underneath this. Let's see what comes out. I'm expecting stuff to come out, so we're turning it. We're going to take it out. Actually not coming out though, so we're going to add a little bit. And I might actually just add it right here. What I did, because of all this mess, I just used a Mighty Vac vacuum or pump filler under pressure. Fill this, pump it a few times, and it pressurizes, and then we can just blow fluid right into the hole. It should be a lot less messier. So I filled it with like 4 quarts. I pumped it in there and it was coming out, of course, because it wasn't running, but that's okay. We filled it up with 4 quarts and plugged it, and I thought that would be enough. So we're maybe close, but let's go ahead and add a little bit more. And I guess maybe I didn't get exactly 4 quarts pumped in because of just the way it works. But that seems to be drizzling out, right? Is that what a drizzling out is? So we can put our thing back on here. I'll clean this all up with some brake clean, and I'll show you the top where the other fill hole is and dealing with that. But this, in a nutshell, is draining and filling your 2017 Kia. If this looks like your vehicle underneath, I'm sure this is going to work for you. So this is like a 22mm head, but doing 3/8 ratchet is much easier. I just ended up using an extension and a swivel, and that just unscrews it down here. So that is where you can fill it, but again, you have to pour very slowly, or it will overflow and make a big mess. So I think that is everything you need to know. Use an automatic transmission fluid ATF SP4-M. Good luck to you.